Guys, as you know, I built this because it didn't work because we're on a laggy server. Server or I mean world, because look at that. Okay, so let's get out of here. Go.
Hi.
Save it. So here, I think it's good enough. And let's get all the resources. First, redstone dust. So we are making
Si
a
Marvin, oh. Si
secret
Marvin.
staircase.
Aklaan ka ni
So in
Marlon.
case like
Ha?
there is a zombie
Si Longlong, di ko
apocalypse
si
on your
Longlong.
Minecraft
Marvin,
server,
di ba ako yun?
just close the staircase and
Si
some
Marvin
zombies
lang.
are not gonna
Ayan, si
can
Marvin.
cannot go in your secret gate.
Wala nang pinitidensi
in your house.
Sophie, nandun kay
On
Kuya ano
second
pa yan,
floor of your house.
Hindi na.
And the next thing we need is definitely
After work, madalas talaga
heater
Yun o.
and
Marlon talaga eh.
the bottom.
Hindi yan sa may palengke binibila nila.
Marunong talaga ako.
And this
Kaya nga nagbabasketball. Si Longlong.
Talagang gwapo.
Siya rin naman si Long. Ay, hindi ba pala si Longlong?
Pangalawas, longlong.
Si
Gwapo yan.
Marvin din to eh. Si Longlong din si Marvin.
May babae ba siya?
Oh, ay ito si Longlong.
you can make
Nag-iba
as
yung mukha
tall
ni Longlong.
as you want.
Diba? Magmarlon
You
din.
can make it as tall as you want, guys. So
Friend ko pala yun.
I'm making it
May babae ba siya?
Tatlo lang
I'm
yun.
making
Tatlo lang yun sila eh.
anything I think of.
Si ano,
Parang inanak ko yung babae. Kaya anak niya,
hindi ko pala to si Longlong. Kala ko hindi ko to friend. Si Marvin tapos si Longlong.
may longlong.
Iba na mukha ni Longlong eh.
Go. I think that's good enough. Yeah. So let me get one, and then chicken. I'm gonna kill you next time I see you. Don't worry, I'm not gonna kill you. I spare your life.
Uy! Mata mga ganang-ganan na ah.
Mm.
Bukas mag-practice tayo. Ganang-ganan ka pa rin.
You can use any type of
Famous ka dyan.
But me, I'm making vacation blocks.
Linom sila.
Sino?
And then, that. So, that's all. My blocks. Yeah. And then on each block it has its own
Sakto ka sa akin, sumakto ka sa akin.
that.
Lang natin yung dapat.
And that.
Ano yun, no?
Ka-JP pala yan. G, mag-ano ka na. Linis ka na katawan mo. Maligo bukas ha.
Mama ka na.
Bakit kasi sino yan?
And then, last piece. That. Done. And massage. I
Tangkad din pala si Marvin.
on every button. We must have I put on
Naboy pa ka niya.
of every one of them.
Bahala yung sito eh. Bahala yun. Ay, kaya ba, mong dawin mo yung sito.
This is my life.
Ay, si Yasi pala dati nag-engage na to. Tapos nag-iba yung boyfriend niya ngayon.
Ano?
Iba yung boyfriend niya.
May ano ko yan, no?
Hindi. Tapos ang boyfriend niya ngayon, yung governor ng ano, saan ba yung governor yun?
Just wait. I'm going to do that now. Oh man. Have to move all of those. Oh, okay. That was it. Pero, sorry for that. That's okay. That's okay.
Gago ko. Niloko mo si Kim Chu eh.
Si ano? Ang galing ko kinto.
Niloko niya, meron na siyang jowa na ano eh. Gulat na lang sila na ano eh. Yung boyfriend na yung jowa ni Yasi. Ano, governor eh.
Yes,
Yasi Pressman. Diba yung boyfriend, may engaged na to eh. Ba't nag-ano sila? Yasi.
ay si Yasin sa Kwan. May boyfriend siya.
Yung governor. Ewan ko saan to governor sa akin. Ay, Bicol. Bicolano. Kasi Bicolano siya eh.
Hindi sumala na yung test. Bakit ang likod mo? Hello?
Kahit magsuri ka pa. Ang ilang yan. Hindi kita matinig.
Mura pa.
Bro, this taking so long. What in the hell? I don't miss one in here. I know. Wait. I'll try to play you and finally you'll failure.
Nay?
Bukas ko siya na. Left.
Oo. Baka ano pa lang nila.
This button don't work, so... Oh, I know. Look. What? What? Pawan. Diba?
Nakikita niyo naman. Nakikita niyo naman. Diba? Nakikita niyo naman. Diba? Nakikita niyo naman.
Bakit hindi pa masyado mabilis yun? Okay. So guys, nagawa ko na yung we did the invisible thing. Yes, we don't know how to close it. You know, it's easy. Just go here and wait. 2x2 blocks. Okay, charging that, and we are gonna connect this to our construction, which is gonna destroy that tree that messed this up. it's gonna pull that, and yeah, that's pretty much all of it.
Guys, tingnan nyo na ang guhit ng palad nyo. Dali.
Ano tayo? Ayusin ko rito.
Yes.
Ito yung practice niya.
Hindi magas.
That,
Kulipit pa.
oh no. Stop. Then, we place some pistons here. Like this. For this. And then, for ticks. So,
Ano ko putang magic?
so, here na. Just, huh? Huh?
Kala ko nga, alas 3 yung practice ko. Alas 7.
Ikaw na yun, ikaw na yun.
Dali mo na.
Wait lang.
Ayan yan.
Akit na ata. Uy, wait na naman tayo.
Wait lang kasi ma. Mama na. Ayaw niya kasi makapaghintay eh.
Ay, hintayin ka pa? Bago ka ba? Sampaling kita dyan.
Diba, ano eh, sunod.
Hindi naman na yan.
Bilisan mo.
Kasi, and don't worry about that. That's just my brother. And when you press this, it should activate it. Huh? Why didn't it? Ano? There. Go. So, put this. Get that. I'm gonna pull this. Yeah. It's on. But when I pull this lever. Huh? Why is it not working, bro? Okay. I'm done with this. I'm gonna put that there. And that. So when I flick this, it should work, please. Yes! Yes! And after the apocalypse, guys, if you don't want something like this, just build whatever design you want. But keep it all to 4 ticks. Do exact. And when it's time to get out, you just when it's over, you just hit this and place it all back, just like nothing happened. See, it's easy, guys. So make sure to try it out and also subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye.